This is Subhashri Paridam, a student of BSc 4th Sem from Dr. Siviraman University, Khandwa. I am here to present you about animal physiology related to our body function, how our body actually works. It is guided by Ms. Mangla Patil ma'am. I hope you all will like my video. After watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. So let's start our video. Physiology of respiration. Air enters the respiratory system through nose and mouth. If it goes in nostril, the air is warmed. The cells in our bodies need oxygen to stay alive. The carbon dioxide is byproduct of respiration. Respiration is the network of organ and tissue that help you breathe. The process takes place through hundreds of millions of microscopic sacs called alveoli. The bloodstream delivers oxygen to cell and remove waste carbon dioxide through internal respiration. The blood cell carry oxygen absorbed from lungs around the body through the vascular tissue. COVID-19 directly impacts the lungs and damages the alveoli. The function of alveolus is to transfer oxygen to the blood vessels, and the first response of the body is to destroy the virus and prevent its replication. This is a spongy, pinkish organ, looks like two upside down cone in chest. Right lung is made of 3 lobes. The left lung has only 2 lobes to make room for heart. It begins at the bottom of your trachea. The main function of the lung is to process of gas exchange. Oxygen from incoming air enter the blood and carbon dioxide. Then the CO2 is taken to other part of the lungs where the air is exhaled. This is the diagram of inspiration and expiration. Inspiration occurs via active contraction of muscles such as diaphragm, where expiration passive. Inspiration means inhalation, expiration means exhalation. The process of inspiration for providing oxygen to tissue and removing Physiology of digestion. The process of nutrition begins with intake of food called ingestion. The breakdown of large complex insoluble food molecule into small simpler soluble called digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water soluble food molecules so that they can be absorbed into the watery blood plasma in certain organisms. This smaller substance absorbed through small intestine into the bloodstream. Digestion is a process of converting complex molecules into simpler forms. Why? Because body can absorb simpler forms of food to generate energy. Its functions are ejection, motility, secretion, digestion, absorption and ejection. Breaking down of food in mouth by teeth and enzyme in the saliva. Transfer of partially digested food through esophagus. Chemical digestion of carbohydrate fat. Mechanical digestion includes parasitic mixing and propulsion. Further digestion in stomach by digestive juice. Complete digestion and absorption in small intestine. Absorption of lipid soluble substance such as alcohol, aspirin. Chemical digestion of carbohydrate fats, polypeptides, nucleic acid. Assimilations of absorbed food. Absorption of water and waste generation in large intestine. Physiology of excretory system. The biological process involved in the removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. The water we drink is absorbed by the intestine and circulated through the body in the form of body fluids such as blood. This performs various functions through a life that deliver oxygen and nutrition to the cell, take away waste material, which are then eliminated with urination. Human excretory system includes organ that facilitates the removal of nitrogenous waste from body. Urine passes to the urinary bladder via uterus and it's expelled out of body. The main excretory organs include kidney, urinary bladder, nephron, etc. Kidney filters the blood and urine is filtered obtained. Bladder can hold up to 400 ml urine. The blood gets filtered by kidney 400 times. When the bladder gets filled, nerve send the signal to the brain. Now this is the structure of kidney. The kidney are two bean-shaped organ that renal system. It maintains overall fluid balance, regulating and filtering minerals from blood. The kidney work to ensure an adequate quantity of plasma to keep blood flowing to vital organ. Kidney filters waste material from food, medications and toxic substance. It creates hormones that help produce red blood cell, promote bone health. Structure of nephron. Nephron is the basic functional unit of kidney that consists of glomerulus and its associated tubules through which glomerulus filters passes before it emerges as urine. As the blood passes through the glomerulus with high pressure, the small molecules are moved into the glomerular capsule. The cell present in each tube absorbs different molecules, glucose, water and other molecules called as ultrafiltration. The ultrafiltrate molecule travel down the tubules, become more hypotonic, which results more water to it. Each nephron begins in renal capsule, which composed of glomerulus enclosed in women's capsule. The blood surrounding the nephron travel back into the body. Physiology of endocrine system. The endocrine system is made up of 8 major glands, each of which secrete different type of hormone that regulate metabolism, growth and development, tissue function, sexual function, reproduction, sleep and mood, among other things. These glands that produce and secrete hormones, chemical substance produced in the body that regulates the activity of cell and organ. These organs regulates the body's growth, metabolism. The pituitary gland is a small pea-shaped gland that plays a major role in regulating vital body functions and general well-being. It refers to as the body's master gland because it controls the activity of other hormone-secreting glands. Hormones are body's chemical messenger. They carry information and instructions from one set of cells to another. The glands release hormones into the bloodstream. It lets hormones to travel the cell. The pituitary gland is at the base of brain and it is no longer than P, also called as master gland. The thyroid is the front part of the lower neck, makes hormones, thoraxin. The gonads are the source of sex hormones. In guys, male gonads are testicles. In girls, gonads are the ovaries in the pelvis. Physiology of neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination can be said as ability of the central nervous system. It composed of a neural circuit including motor neuron, sensory neuron and skeletal muscle. The system is essential to movements, the body, the control of posture and breathing. The motor nerve fiber makes synaptic contacts with the muscle fiber at the neuromuscular junction. It is the coordination between the nerves and the muscles under the control of the brain. Neuron is the basic unit of brain, specialized cell transmit informations. Neuron are the cell within the nervous system that transmit information to nerve cells, muscles or gland cells. Neuron. It helps transmit nerve signals or impulse down a long axon. The main part of the neuron is called the cell body. It contains all the important parts of the cell that allow to function properly. It receives incoming signals to pass along body, both physical and chemical.